That's the thing though about monitoring spirits. They're always watching, try to make you doubt yourself, try to make you insignificant, insecure. Good thing I don't care anymore. If anything, I love it. It shows me who I really am as a person. And I just did that wholeheartedly with no fear. Yeah. Ow, I have a fucking weird ankle. Wait, now that I think about it. This right here. Oh, fuck yeah, I could sit down here, yo. I don't think the cop cared though. I think the department room cared more than he did. Oh yeah. Just like that. You. Yeah. Yeah, yeah. Yeah, yeah.